San Francisco Tower United 487 ready for departure runway 28 right IFR to Portland. United 487 hold short runway 28 right. Traffic is Airbus A20N on the runway. United 1 tree 6 number tree for landing. Follow the Airbus on final. Wind calm caution the Airbus landing runway 19er right. Cleared to land runway 19er left. United Airlines tree 20 altimeter tree 0.26 wind calm. Cleared for takeoff runway 28 right. United 487 line up and wait. JetBlue 15 exit runway when able.
Cleared for takeoff runway 28 right United Airlines 320.
JetBlue 15 contact ground on 121.8.